All major scales can be built stepping up the notes in the same pattern: whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step. Once you know the pattern, you can work out what the notes are in any scale. That's doable if you're sitting in front of a keyboard, but it doesn't take long to realize that memorizing the scales is essential. The pattern is simply not helpful in quickly finding the notes. Let's see what a major scale looks like on the circle. Here's the C major scale. All of the notes, while not in chromatic order, are grouped together. In order, they're the 4, the 1, the 5, the 2, the 6, the 3, and the 7 note. This is true of any scale. Here's the A-flat major scale and the B major scale. You'll notice the root of the scale is not at one end of the grouping. At each end of the grouping are the 4 note and the 7 note. In the case of the C major scale, the 4 note is F and the 7 note is B. Notice that F and B are a tritone pair. Tritone pairs create the most dissonant harmonies. If you're trying to figure out what the tritone of a note is, take a look at the circle. They're directly opposite one another. Look at what happens when we group the notes not by the 7-note major scale, but by the 5-note pentatonic scale, notes 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. Pentatonic scales are the basis for nursery rhymes like Old MacDonald or Ring Around the Rosie, but also for songs like Stairway to Heaven or Billie Jean. Here's the C pentatonic scale, C, D, E, G, A. It's the C major scale with the 2 end notes left off. We can find another pentatonic scale on the opposite side of the circle. It's the G-flat pentatonic scale, G-flat, A-flat, B-flat, D-flat, E-flat. This one's also called the F-sharp pentatonic scale. In between these 2 pentatonic scales is our tritone pair from the C major scale, F-B. If you group F-B with the C pentatonic scale, you get the C major scale. You can also group F-B with the F-sharp pentatonic scale, and you get the F-sharp major scale. Notice also that the 2 opposite pentatonic scales are the tritones of the other. We can also say that if you group all of the notes of a major scale together, say the E major scale, the notes that are left out make up the pentatonic of the tritone of E, which is B-flat.